All right, welcome back to an update here on our beta for FirstStep.ai's resume builder. We added a couple major features to the app. I'm going to take you guys through it. Hopefully, you guys enjoy it and get some use out of it. All right. Okay, so the first step, guys. I love that. All right, so the first step is uploading a resume. If you don't have a resume, it actually is going to take you when you first log in. There's two things that happen. It's going to prompt you to say, do you want to build a resume or do you have a resume? If you're going to build a resume, it's going to take you through that whole flow of building your resume. And then you can use AI. You have AI coach here, which is basically like an AI assistant to help you ask questions about how to do stuff here on the platform as well. All right. And there is limitations with that. You can't go crazy in that chat. So just letting you guys know. All right. But that will be for after we're done the beta, it will be for the paid subscribers, not on the free version. On the free version, you'll get 3 tailored resumes and some real basic functionality. But there is still some UI things that need to be done. The desktop version, I think, is pretty much done. I'm more so concerned with the mobile version right now, but I'd love your guys' feedback. That's why I'm continuing to do the beta test here for the next week or so. If you guys are interested in participating in the beta, just comment on YouTube or on our Twitter. All right, on a couple of different Twitter posts I put out. Just type invite. All right, so I'm going to grab a resume here. So one of my resumes here, it's supply chain procurement. That is my background mostly. So we're choosing resume and cover. By the way, resume only is the essential package, and the resume cover is the complete package. But most of the stuff that's in these 2 subscriptions will allow you a lot of functionalities. Okay, so got the resume. We need to find a job. So it's going to auto detect and auto match. We're going to click that. It's going to analyze the resume. And it already grabbed my geolocation, which is great, so I don't need to type that in. But if it didn't populate it, you can click the little map icon right here, and you might have to allow it to track your location. So I'm going to, yeah, it already populated it. It's finding keywords here for procurement manager. And so here's the populated jobs right now. We're just going to grab this one right here that's less than a mile away from me in Parsippany Reckitt, this company here. We're going to click tailor resume. And it's tailoring our resume to match the keywords of this job description. Right, and so it's basically done. And you can see that before doing the tailoring, I had about a 72 match, but now it's increased my match to about 82%. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right. And so it's now doing a final format. Yeah, it takes about 30, 40 seconds to do this, which is great. I think this is a wonderful feature that it shows you this match preview. If you guys are enjoying the content and you like the update here with the AI resume builder, make sure you guys smash up the like button and hit the subscribe button to get all the updates here at firststep.ai. And now the resume is tailored. It's showing you the match skill percentage. So it's 82% is a very good match, right? So what you would do is you can format the resume now. We're going to click a different template here. We'll just click this template. You put your email, put your phone number, right? And your location. I guess this should be auto. Maybe I should change that to, it's fine. You don't necessarily need to have that auto. And then your LinkedIn profile, there should be a button here to grab that, but that's fine. I think it's because I didn't use the prompt earlier to do that. But so once you grab your LinkedIn, because all this stuff is going to go on your resume, And when you save the PDF, it'll be hyperlinked for your LinkedIn profile. I think that is really important when a recruiter or when an employer wants to see your resume. They can just click on your resume like that. And, website or portfolio, if you want to put that in there, I should probably put my GitHub, but I'm not going to do that for right now. I'm going to click apply template. Now it's going to parse my resume with this template. Oh, it pop-up blocked. Okay. So you need to allow the pop-up. Okay. So I'm going to do that again. Because it's going to pop up the resume. There it is. Okay, cool. So there it is. So my LinkedIn profile, like you can see that it's hyperlinked. I can click it. It goes right to my LinkedIn profile. Make sure you guys follow me here too. Okay. Thank you so much. I don't know what happened to that now. Oh, here it is. Okay. So there's my resume, and you might want to like reread it and double check it, make sure there's no errors or anything like that. Of course, AI can still make mistakes, but this saves you a lot of time. All right. And we're going to click save the PDF. And we're going to want to do it in color, right? Because it's a black and white template. So that's the thing that's kind of maybe not so good, right, with these templates. Maybe there's another way to do this so that you actually get the color. Instead of maybe saving it as a PDF, we probably should do it as a Word doc or something. But I couldn't get the plugin for that. So I think that this is fine for right now. It doesn't necessarily have to have color because it's all about the keywords anyway. But if you guys have suggestions about that, let me know. Oh, I can do color, but it doesn't do anything. Cool. So we're going to print this PDF. And we're gonna call this Evan Kansas Procurement Manager at whatever that is. Okay. And then the cover letter, right? We download the cover letter. And then you just save it wherever you're going to save it, right? So I'm just going to save it in downloads right now. And we're going to look at it real quick to see what it looks like. You don't really have to have ATS so much on cover letters, but you want to make sure that it matches whatever it is that you're trying to do with this job. So you might want to review it and make sure it's right. Yep. So it's talking about my background and how I can impact Reckitt with the current job description. That's wonderful. Beautiful. Okay. So everything is done here, right? You have your resume, you have your cover letter. Now you want to go to your tracker. And you want to click apply. So it's gonna bring you to where to apply for this job. You're gonna have to go through their motions. Unfortunately, right this very moment, because this is in beta stage, I don't have an easy apply function set up for the app. But I think if people really start to utilize this app, I will integrate that to make this a little bit of a smoother transition. Okay. So if you've applied, now the tracker should show up in your tracker, and you're going to obviously keep it like applied manual, and you can track your whole progress here with this job. And what it should also do is send you email updates about this job periodically. So I'm not sure if that's in full functionality right now, but that's kind of what the whole thing is. It's basically like a CRM for your job applications. And then, like I said before, you can talk to how do I improve my resume summary. It's basically going to give you how to improve some stuff, right? I'm actually not sure if my Claude is actually working right this very moment, but so yeah, this is, I think, really cool feature. I don't think a lot of AI resume builders have this built in right now. So, you know, but it should work here eventually. The LinkedIn, I have this on here so that you can update your LinkedIn profile with the job applications that you're sending in to modify your what's it called? Your profile. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this feature here, but I think it's interesting, and I want to see if you guys actually use it. So maybe you can provide your feedback on this LinkedIn profile optimizer. I don't necessarily think that this is very or that important, but I thought it was cool to add. And then the bulk apply, which this might come later on for when I integrate with LinkedIn to do easy applies. This will probably be something of value to a lot of people because then they can just bulk easy apply five at a clip. All right. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and tick the notification bell. And of course, if you want to join the beta right now, type invite in the comment section below this video, and we'll get you guys going. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Hopefully you enjoy my work here, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.